Hello. Pravalin, can you hear me?
Hi, yes. Hi, Dr. Abhishek. How are you?
Good. We'll just give a couple of minutes for everyone to join.
Okay.
Hi, guys. Hi, Divya. Hi, Pankti.
Hello.
Princey. Videos on, please. Good to have all videos on. So we'll just, I think we have few more people joining. And then I believe we have total of 12 students in this batch. So we'll just get going once they get started. Just give one more minute for them to join. You got the link today or yesterday?
The video link, I mean the Zoom link?
Yeah.
Today.
So why people are not joining on time? We need to get them to buy a Starbucks gift cards, I believe. That's what we did last time. Whoever joins last in the class got, it's not $5, it's $25 gift card for everyone else. It's almost $200 from that person. That's good. And you can do it on text message. You know that, right? There's an app where you can send Starbucks gift card on your message. And he did that. So we're going to implement that so everyone will be on time. Who is iPhone? Right click and tell your, you can do your name. Guys, who is iPhone? All right, let's get started, guys. I don't want to waste time. It's 8:03. So we'll get started. So the reason why this is not going to be any subject related call. Oh, Kusum. Okay. Kusum, come on video if you can. So the reason why I actually do this introduction to every batch that we get started in pharmacovigilance is because you're going to be going through this course. You're going to get a lot of emails in the next few days in terms of your LMS access, Argus access, class calendars, all those things. So don't get bogged with it. I would like to welcome you first, and then I want to go over not just few pointers. I just have one recommendation for you, and that's why I wanted to go live with you on this short call for like probably 10-15 minutes. But before I go into my ordeal of doing that recommendation, I want to know where you guys are coming from, your name, your location, your education, please, and who referred you, if you are referred.
Hi, so my name is Prableen and I am from Dallas, Texas. And no one referred me. I found MediPharm Solutions through Google.
Okay, and Google. So your education, Prableen?
I did BDS from India.
Oh, BDS, yes, dentistry. Okay, Divya.
Okay, this is Divya. I have done my MTech IT long back. But yeah, I am from New Jersey. And Krupa Patel, I got reference from Krupa Patel, who is a friend of my friend. So
Friend of my friend. That's what
yes.
happens. That only happens in New Jersey, where I am.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Divya, can you just text me Krupa Patel's number? I have like 8 different Krupa Patels. I don't know who Krupa Patel is.
Sure, I will ask my friend and get that for you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Harika, how about you?
Hi, my name is Harika. I am from Philadelphia. I completed my master's in organic chemistry. I got reference from Rekha Vittal.
Rekha, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Princey.
Hi, I am Princey. I am from New York. I did my MBBS from India. I am referred from Varun and Soumya.
Varun and Soumya. Okay, good. Okay, Pankti.
My name is Pankti. I have done pharmacy from here. So I reside in Chicago currently, and I haven't been referred by anybody, but we talked about MediPharm Solutions on LinkedIn 3 years ago.
Oh, you're not the same Pankti I was thinking then. You were not referred by Omita Shah.
No.
Oh, okay. All right, good. All right. Who do we have? Kusum.
Hi, my name is Kusum Betwal. I'm from Richmond, Virginia. I did my master in science in nursing. Right now, I'm nurse practitioner, and I'm referred by Santi. What's her last name? Bogati.
Shanti. Okay. Shanti. Okay. Vinny, how about you? Vinny, you're on mute. Can you hear us? No? Yes? Can you hear us? Yes? Let's do sign language. Yes? No? Okay. I guess. So I still am missing 3 more. I don't know what is going on. I'll talk to them. But welcome everyone. I think we have covered everyone that are going to be in the class. You're going to be together. Of course, in the next class, you're going to see a lot more people because we're going to start off. I believe you got your calendars from April 4th, which is next week. You still have a class on Thursday at 7 p.m. I believe, and you're going to get a headache on that class. Let me warn you on that. Why you're going to get a headache is because every last Thursday of the month, we do a discussion board for all classes, for all batches. We do have 3 batches right now: February, March, February, Jan, Feb, and March. So you guys fall into March batch, even though you started at the end of March. So all 3 batches will come into that call on Thursday at 7 p.m. We call it a discussion board. So what happens is they've already sent us questions from all the modules, across all batches, and we address those questions. So I want you to get into the rhythm of how this whole thing works for you, because at the end of April, at the end of May, at the end of June, by the time you complete this course, you'll have 3 discussion boards. So you should also get into the habit of asking questions through emails. So your questions will be answered. Of course, you can ask questions in the classes as well towards the end of the class. It makes it easier for the flow of the class so that you don't interrupt. Some instructors like to be asked right away, some instructors don't, but I prefer if the questions are at the end initially, so that the flow of the class is not affected. But again, the point of the discussion board is you learn from each other's questions, so that you know your questions will be answered. At the same time, there are other questions from other folks, so you kind of have a constructive discussion. So I want you guys to be a part of that call on Thursday at 7 p.m. And I believe we are also going to be doing one extra module on that day for a drug safety physician. I'll tell you what it is and everything as you go along. Just please take it on a face value. I don't want you guys to miss on that class. If you get something out of it, great. If you don't get anything and you just get a headache, so be it. Just take the weekend off. The headache will go away, and then come back on Tuesday on April 4th, and we'll start your classes with Argus. Shalini is a dentist actually. She's working in pharmacovigilance. Shalini is excellent with Argus. She's going to take you through Argus classes the first month, the whole of April. From April 4th to I believe 28th of April is Argus, every Tuesday and Thursday. And then in the May, I come back and I'm going to do all core modules. and you're going to understand what is core modules and everything as the course goes on. So May is core modules, April is Argus, and June is the first 2 weeks of June. Again, we go back into some nitty-gritties of the core modules, and towards the 15th of June, towards the end of, towards the end of June is when you go into job placement. So again, these are things that also will be, kind of, we'll go over this as you go along. You don't need to write down anything, but that's how the course is formatted. So 1 month of Argus and 2 months of core modules, and towards the end of the second month, we kind of transition into job placement, and it becomes easier. So my only recommendation, oh, Parul just joined. Parul, you want to introduce yourself, your name, your education, your location, and who referred you?
So,
You're-
Varun and Soumya referred me, and I did my medical school in 2009, and I worked in India for 4 years, and then I came here in 2013, took my USMLE steps and got ECFMG certified. I worked on some research articles in 2015, and after that, I did some volunteer rotations here in US. And these days, I'm taking care of my son. That's it.
Man, you have given us the whole biodata. You're hired. All right, good. All right, good. So again, welcome everyone. So here is my only recommendation for you. Don't get bogged with emails. There are a lot of emails sometimes coming to you in the initial 1 or 2 weeks. My recommendation for you, which has helped a lot of other students in understanding pharmacovigilance, not just understanding, in kind of getting into the course in a proper direction, is do take this live classes serious. Attend the classes. Don't drive and take the class. Don't drive and don't start cooking and take the class. You only have to prioritize 2 hours a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we will stick to a certain time. It's not going to change every week. If we stick to 7 p.m., I would say most of your classes, 8 out of 10 would be at that time, unless there is some conflict with the schedule and stuff, which will be emailed prior. So please, engage in the class, be attentive in the class, attend the live lecture. Do not rely on the recordings, because I'll ask you this question. How many times would you look at your own family videos on your phone that you recorded for 2 minutes? You don't, because you have it on your phone and you take it for granted. Oh, I can see it later, but you never watched even your favorite kid on for 2 minutes, most likely. So please do not rely on your recordings, and the recordings are there for you to, kind of review the information if needed. But the best thing that I would recommend you is to engage in the class, and for the first 2 to 3 weeks, at least, with Argus, and Shalini taking classes, give time to yourself to understand the subject, because it's pretty much not very new, but at the same time it's a new landscape you're going into. So give yourself some time in understanding it. And sometimes most people who ask too many questions just get very confused with the concepts being thrown at them. So just give yourself some time. You don't need to prepare. These are all questions and mistakes people have done in the last few years of me teaching this. You don't need to do any preparatory work for the classes. Just come into the class, enjoy the class, understand how much you can in the initial 2-3 weeks. This will all come full circle once you kind of go through Argus classes, and it's a very good way to start Argus, because you're kind of getting the most, I would say, less important thing first, but you're building the platform to core modules. So I really like the pattern that we are having for your batch. So attend the classes live. Don't take it for granted. Attend as many as you can live. Of course, life happens, I understand, but try to do the best you can. And give yourself some time, and it will take some time for you to form the synapses. Don't try to force them. Just make it organic in the way you understand the subject. And that's all I had for you today. I just want to welcome everyone. So we'll meet on Thursday, but probably you're not going to get anything out of that call. I'm going to be talking to the classes right now at 8:30. I'm actually talking to them about medical review, which most of you who are here, who are dentists and physicians will be doing. But as a continuation of that, people have asked the question, what is the difference between medical review and being a drug safety physician? So I'm going to cover that maybe from 7 to 7:30 on Thursday. So that's a very good way of also for some of you to join that call. And from 7:30 to 8, I'm going to take all the questions for them. And this is going to be a pattern for you next month, last Thursday. So you'll kind of learn how it works. Okay. Any questions, guys? So if I see people nodding, meaning that this is yes and this is no. For non-AC people, that's the sign language. All right. Let me. Bianca just joined. Bianca, you're super late. You're going to get us a Starbucks card. I need a picture of this, and this is going to go on my TikTok. No, I don't have a TikTok, but still. All right, I'm done. All right. Any questions, guys? Anything that you want? Any questions from the emails that you have received? Anything that we can improve on? Keep talking. That's okay.
The class is at 7 on Thursday. I mean, the discussion.
Yeah, you'll be emailed on the same day. Oh, that's good. Every Tuesdays and every Thursday, you will get an email with the reminder before 2 p.m. Eastern. So just check your email, log into the call. The link is very different every time. So don't say that every Tuesday is the same link. No, it's a different link. And again, as I said, you will see more students in some classes. You'll see less students in some classes. It all depends on the schedule of each batch. But you guys will be together. So you'll be accustomed to seeing the same faces and same names all together. But I believe you guys have done a lot of education to this point. This is not going to be any different. It's not going to be difficult. I'm pretty sure that everyone will understand the subject and understand the concepts very well. I don't have any doubts about it. So yeah, so welcome again. I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye.
All right, thank you. Have a good
Was
night.
this class starting at 7 or 8?
It's just at 8. We just did introduction. Since you joined late, you were supposed to send all of us a Starbucks gift card for $25. So you can either send the money to the admin, or you can somehow we'll figure out how you're going to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Bianca, you want to introduce yourself? Name, location, education. Can you introduce yourself? Name, location, education.
Yes, my name is Bianca Barda Hoja. I'm a physician, MT from Tirana, Albania. And now Albania, yes.
Awesome.
Now I live in Troy, Michigan, United States of America.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Welcome, and I'll see you guys on Thursday, guys. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.